Good morning students, welcome back to standard 10th geography class, and today we'll take up agriculture part 2. In this part we'll first take up the different cropping seasons. The basic 3 different cropping seasons in India are Kharif, Rabi, and in between them it is the Zaid season. Now, these 3 cropping seasons, Rabi, Kharif and Zaid, are mostly practiced in India. Rabi crops are grown in winter season, that is, they are sown in the winter season from October to December, and they are harvested in summer from April to June. Important Rabi crops are wheat, barley, peas, gram and mustard. At this time, these crops need precipitation, that is rainfall, during winter months. The success of Green Revolution has attributed to their production, especially in Punjab, Haryana, Western UP and parts of Rajasthan. The second is the Kharif season. It is grown with the onset of the monsoons, that is coming of the monsoons, and it is harvested in September to October. The important Kharif crops are paddy, जिसको हम हिंदी में धान कहते हैं, मेज, ज्वार, बाजरा, तुर, जिसको अरहर कहते हैं, मूंग, उड़द, cotton, jute, groundnut and soya bean. The paddy which we talked about is of 3 varieties which is grown in India, and the 3 varieties of paddy are Os, Aman and Boro. The next is the Zaid season. It is a short period between Kharif and Rabi season, and in this season, some crops are grown which are good or which are believed to increase the fertility of the soil. These are watermelon, जो अभी हम लोग खा रहे हैं, इस सीजन में मिल रहा है. So watermelon, muskmelon, cucumber, खीरा, various other vegetables and fodder crops. You know what are fodder crops? Crops which are generally grown to feed animals. So fodder crops. But sugarcane, which is an important crop, is grown almost throughout the season, that is throughout the year. So these are the 3 different cropping seasons, Rabi, Kharif and Zaid. Next we'll talk about the different or the major crops. The major crops are rice, wheat, maize, pulses and sugarcane, which we'll talk about. We'll have to study all the major crops, and plus we have to do the map work also of the major states producing these different crops. The first crop which is very important is rice. In the map you can see the major producing areas are given as well as minor states are given, but you have to mainly concentrate on the major rice producing states. So rice is the staple food crop of a majority of the people of India, that is, it is a major crop which is used in India. Our country, it is the second largest producer of rice after China, that means China number 1 and India number 2. It is a Kharif crop. It requires temperature above 25 degrees Celsius centigrade, and high humidity, that is heavy rainfall above 100 centimeters, and if the area doesn't have enough rainfall, it can depend upon irrigation, good irrigation facilities. It is basically grown in the plains of north and northeastern India, coastal areas and the deltaic regions. The major states which produce rice, if you can see, UP, Bihar, Odisha, these are the major rice producing states. You know what is a deltaic region? That is area near the seas which has high deposit of silt. Next we come to the second most important cereal crop, that is the Rabi crop. It is the Rabi crop. It requires annual rainfall of 50 to 75 centimeters. It requires a cool growing season and bright sunshine at the time of ripening. Then it has two major wheat producing belts. The first is the Ganga Satluj plains in the northwest, and second is the black soil region of the Deccan. So basically wheat is produced in two major zones, Ganga Satluj plains in the northwest and the Deccan plateau, that is black soil in the Deccan plateau. The major wheat producing states are Punjab, Haryana, UP, Bihar, Rajasthan and some parts of Madhya Pradesh. Next, tomorrow we'll start with the other food crops. Do note down the important points in your classwork copies and do the map of wheat producing areas and rice producing areas, that is the major states producing wheat and major states producing rice, in your